What is your name?
എന്റെ പേരെന്താ ചോദിച്ചു?
മനസ്സിലായി. ഡാനി.
Oh, Danny. Very nice to meet you. You are very smart.
Family.
Oh, really? You from royal family?
Yes, yes.
Oh, royal blood.
എന്തോ?
Who is this Marthanda Varma?
Marthanda Varma. He's a king.
He's the king?
No. Past tense വരുമ്പോ was a king.
Yeah. Which was his kingdom?
Kingdom?
Yeah.
ഇതാണ് kingdom.
This kingdom? You useless fellow.